The Smart Kitchen Revolution. 2025 trends you need to know. Walk into a kitchen in 2025 and you might feel like you stepped into a sci-fi movie. The modern kitchen is no longer just a place for cooking. It's a hub of automation, personalization, and sustainability. One of the biggest shifts has been the widespread adoption of AI-powered kitchen assistants. These aren't just glorified timers. They learn your cooking habits, help you meal prep, and even guide you step by step through recipes based on the ingredients you already have. Voice-controlled stovetops, smart fridges that auto-restock, and ovens that scan food to cook it perfectly are becoming mainstream in middle-income homes, transforming the way people relate to food and time. But it's not just about high-tech gadgets. Sustainability is at the core of the kitchen revolution. Urban dwellers are embracing countertop hydroponic gardens to grow herbs and small vegetables indoors with zero soil. Smart composters turn scraps into nutrient-rich soil in days, cutting down household waste dramatically. Brands are also introducing recyclable or refillable packaging for pantry staples, and many consumers are using apps that rate products based on their carbon footprint. This eco-conscious kitchen is gaining popularity not only for environmental reasons, but also as a lifestyle trend tied to health and mindfulness. The layout and design of kitchens are evolving too, reflecting our hybrid lifestyles. With more people working from home, kitchens double as workspaces, social lounges, and even mini studios. Modular furniture, hidden appliances, and flexible lighting help shift the mood and function of the space throughout the day. Surfaces that sanitize themselves using embedded UVC light technology are entering the mainstream, responding to post-pandemic hygiene concerns. The kitchen has become a multifunctional environment that adapts to the user, not the other way around. Finally, food culture itself is changing, fueled by global influences and AI-curated menus. Social media continues to shape what and how people cook, with visual storytelling driving trends like rainbow meals and minimalist plating. AI tools analyze your past meals, dietary goals, and even your mood to suggest dishes tailored just for you. Recipe NFTs and virtual cooking clubs bring together communities of food lovers from around the world, sharing experiences without ever turning on a camera. The kitchen of 2025 is not only smart and green, it's also deeply personal.